Hello, today we'll be looking at the strangle knot and the constrictor knot. These are two knots you'll use quite often. The primary use for these is whenever you need to maintain the relationship of the lines. In this case, we're looking at 3 strands that are twisted together. If we're going to unwind one end to where we can tie in another knot, this strangle knot or constrictor knot will hold that line in place. First, we'll take a look at the strangle knot. What we'll do is we'll cross that line, come out to the right, and then go over. It'll form an X. And with the strangle knot, we want to come to the right of that standing line, and then we'll go ahead and cross over and around the standing line and pass from left to right underneath that X that was formed. Go ahead and take the slack out, pull it snug and dress it up, and that'll complete the knot. Next, we'll look to the constrictor knot. Starts the same way. You'll go around your line, coming out on the right side of the standing end, cross over forming an X, but this time we'll bring it out to the left side of the standing end, go across the standing end, and then pass from bottom to top underneath the X. Pull the slack out once again, form it up, and that'll be the constrictor knot. Now, instead of trying to untie these when you're ready to remove them, you can go ahead and just cut that strand that's crossing over the top of it, and that'll fall right out for you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.